Oh, good morning, guys. This is if you've gotten less than an 80%, which is like less than a 40 or less than a 22 on either of the rock assignments. This is how you can fix your grade. The first one, we're going to start out with rocks observations. You're going to open your document. You're going to open Mr. T's Google site document. You're going to open up the video, and you're going to update your document. So I'm going to go through that. So you're going to open the document. So you'll open your document. You're going to go to Mr. T's Google site and open that document. And my observations are here, just so you know. And what you're going to do next is you're going to open your document now and my video and my video, which is here. So when you do that, you're going to look at your document, you're going to look at my document, and you're going to update your document with what I say or what you see that will help you identify the rocks. Now, that's worth 50 points, guys. This is a lot of points because I'm wanting you to learn how to classify data. So in your rock observations, you need to make sure that you name the specific rock. Give me 4 or 5 different descriptors about it, and then use that to help identify it when you get to the pear deck. When you get this filled in, resubmit it, and you'll get more points. Now, let's go to the next document. This is the rock ID pear deck. Same thing over here on our page. Rock identification. You can have my video open and your observations open, and then you go to the pear deck. And you make sure that you name the rock and give me 3 to 4 ways that you know that it's the rock. Now, just so you know, every one of them tell you at least one specific reason why it is that rock. This rock is flaky. That's a common description for it. And that's all you got to do. Now you got to make sure that you get all 7 of them with a name and 3 descriptors. Name and 3 different ways that we know that it is that rock. And then resubmit it and tell me to go look at it and check your grade. Now the next one is the hardest of the bunch. Now that's the Earth's plates. Now, I'm going to walk you through it. You're going to open your Earth's plates document. You open your document. You're going to make a Google Sheet. So over here it tells you there are 150 quakes per region. If your region's in the Northeast, it's 1491, Northwest 616, Southeast 1041, Southwest 1018. Now, next one thing you're going to want to do is open up the earthquake data. That's right here. Open that. Now you're going to look for your name up here. If you're in 6th period, you're here. If you're in 4th period, you're down here. Now, what you'll do next is, okay, say I'm Alexis, and I'm going to go up here and make a new Google Sheet. Google Sheet. Make the sheet. Now, I'm going to call myself Alexis. Next thing I'm going to do is decide what region I'm in. Well, I'm in the Southeast region from 750 to 900. And you figure that out from this number to this number, okay? So I'm going to go to the Southeast region, which is the tab that I'll need to go to. I'll highlight the very first line and copy it onto my sheet. Now my region was Southeast. 750 to 900. I will go back here now and copy my 750 to 900 in the data. There it is. You copy that and paste it. Now let's see where I am. Find your data, go to the page, name your Google Sheet, copy the header, copy the data. Now I'm ready to make the graph. So, Google Sheet, top of this sheet, it said right here, Alexis was 750 to 900. I go to the Southeast region. I copy the header. That's this thing. And I pasted it. Next, I copy the data, 750 to 900. Right there. And paste it. And now I'm ready to make my graph. How do I do that? I highlight my data. I go to the graphing tool. And now I need to make sure my latitude is on the x-axis. Boom. And there it is. This one needs to be my longitude. This one needs to be the depth. And this one needs to be the magnitude. All other lower data needs to go away. Now I've got all of the data removed, and now all I need to do is make the graph itself. Go up here, select this one, GeoMarkers, and there it is. It's over here in Oceania. So I'm going to go up here to Customize, Geo, World, Oceania. And there's the earthquakes. All right. Next thing I need to do, that's one graph. I need two more graphs. You go down here to the Explore button on the lower right. Look at this. I get earthquakes by region and magnitudes by type. There's two decent graphs that make sense. Now, if I go back up here at the top and look through these questions, correlation of longitude and equid. Now, count of magnitude type. That'd be a nice one. And there'd be a chart there. Didn't work. I don't know why it doesn't do that, but sometimes it doesn't want to play that way. Go back here. Distribution of region names, highest longitude, sum of magnitude, average depth for each region name. So there it does. It gives you the average depth of the earthquakes. That's an interesting one I've not seen anyone do before. So that might give it to you that way. Right there it is, average depth in regions. Wow, that region's got really deep earthquakes. Interesting. So you could drag that one over there and insert the chart, and that'd be another one you could do. So that's all there is to this. Now, the next thing it tells us to do is insert these into our document. So we'd go to earth plates. We'd put one here. We'd put one here. We'd put one here. Now, we're going to describe one of the graphs. That one would be the easiest of these graphs to describe. The highest, the lowest, the most prevalent, the least prevalent. And you'd just write that stuff here. What I'd like to know on those graphs that I just made, why does this area have such deep earthquakes? I kind of know, and I think it's this one right here. Maybe it's a subduction zone. I don't know. But that's the kind of stuff that you could ask. And that really pretty much sums up how to do this.